Hello, this is JD from AWD Wix, and I'm here to do a short tutorial on how to add a video to your website. I have a lot of people asking me this question. You just simply log into your My Sites, click the site you want to edit. Once it loads, say we want to put the video right here, you simply go up to add an element, go down to video, and you can load this onto there by dragging it over there. And there's the video. You just got to make sure you stay in the guidelines. So if you want a bigger video, I would put it in a 1-column strip, not 2 columns. And it would give you a much bigger video. But for right now, we'll just use this. And to change the video, we would click there. And say you already have a video that you uploaded. If not, you just click upload, find the video you want to upload, which right there, but I already have an upload. You would click open, and it would upload to your library here. Click on the video, make sure you go down in the right corner, add to page. And that's simple as that. We go up here to preview it. And we click it.
Looking for affordable web design and development for small to mid-sized businesses? Well, affordable website designing is right.
And then go back to your editor, and if you want to add a YouTube video, you change video. Again, click this little YouTube, or you can go any of these places and get a video. I'm going to my channel on YouTube. There's a video that I want to put on my website. You click up there, grab the URL, copy it, URL, and then you come down here, put the URL right there, and there's the video. Simple as that. Have a great day. That's how you add a video to your Wix website. This is JD from Wix. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe.